People of the world, what is going on? It is a sunny, early Saturday afternoon. It's about noonish right now. Did I mention it's sunny? It's actually sunny today. I mean, no chance of rain at all, really. So, that's positive. But I'm working, so, you know, there's that. Gonna be going to work soon, but before I do go to work, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to drive a stick shift. You ever tell yourself, I'll never be able to learn how to drive a stick, ever? If you're telling yourself that, well, you're wrong. Wrong, I tell you, wrong. So I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step demonstration of how to start engaging learning how to drive a stick. I'll probably do a follow-up video of this shifting into higher gears. We're just going to go like first, second gear. My car is a 5-speed. Alright, so say that you're just stepping in to a car that is a stick shift. It happens to be a stick shift, right? You have no idea at all how to start the car. We got the emergency brake right here. Usually the same as an automatic car, right? Same thing. Just release. Only this time we have a stick shift, and it's not like an automatic. You have to manually do it. Stick shift, aka manual. So, right now, I am in neutral. I am in no gear right now. So, if I release this emergency brake, I'll start rolling. I'm not on a hill right now, so I'm not rolling. But, if you were on a hill, you would start rolling because you are in neutral. So the first pedal to the far left, that is the clutch. The pedal next to it, that is the brake. Pedal in the middle. And that long-looking pedal with the lines, that is called the gas. Essentially, you're only having one extra pedal, and that is the clutch. So when I start the car, I'm going to hold down the brake and the clutch. I'm going to release the clutch. So you don't always have to hold down the clutch when you turn on the car, but if it is in a gear, you have to, and you have to pop it into neutral, because if not, you're going to stall out. So in order to get into first gear, to actually start moving and driving, I am going to press down the clutch all the way. I'm going to press the clutch all the way down, like so. As the clutch is in right now, I have the clutch pressed all the way down. Then I am going to release my e-brake, simply as you would do in an automatic car. Then I am going to put the stick into first gear. And this is the tricky part. Our foot is on the clutch. I pressed all the way down. At that point, you can move the stick in any gear you choose. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And of course, reverse. So, getting it started. Have the clutch in. First, I'm going to engage in the gas. I'm going to start pushing on the gas now. With my right, on the far right. The gas is on the far right. I'm going to start pressing the gas. You hear that? Because I'm not off the clutch yet. You have to slowly release the clutch and push gas at the same exact time. I'm starting to move now, and I'm off and running. And you can pop back into neutral when you want to stop. Foot's on the brake, and you have just started to drive a stick shift. I know this is a lot at once, so we're going to do this again. We're going to go over this again. By the way, this video is just about how to engage in starting the car. We'll go into shifting into higher gears and downshifting in another video. So here we go. My foot is on the brake right now because I don't have the e-brake on. So what I want to do is push the clutch all the way down until it's hitting, until you can go no further. Then, first gear is to the left and up. Try that again. So first gear, clutch all the way down, to the left and up. Then my right foot is still on the brake, which is the pedal in the middle. I'm going to take my foot off the brake. And you hear the gas? I'm slowly starting to rev the gas now while releasing the clutch. So you can start releasing the clutch now. Once you hear the gas like that, you can start releasing the clutch. It may be a little bit rocky at first. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration, a little sneak peek into a follow-up video that will be about this. I'll probably put the follow-up out soon of actually shifting into higher gears and also about downshifting. So, let's begin. My right foot is on the brake. That is the pedal that is in the middle between the clutch and the gas. So, I press the clutch, which is this, my left foot right here that I'm wiggling. I press that all the way down until it cannot go any further. Then I put my right foot off the brake, and then I go into first gear, which is to the left and up to the upper left. I start giving it gas. You can start giving it gas even before you take your foot off of the clutch. Now what I'm going to be doing is releasing my left foot, which is on the clutch. I'm going to start slowly taking it off of the clutch while I'm still giving my right foot gas. And you'll start to roll. And once your foot is completely off the clutch and your foot is still on the gas, you are rolling, you are in business, you are driving a manual. You are driving a stick shift. Congratulations. So I'm just going to film on the way back home. So I'm coming up to a stop right now. So I'm going to put my foot on the brake, clutch all the way in, and pop into neutral, which is down, and just let it out. So in fast motion, this is what I look like. I'm shifting into higher gears. Now I'm in the third gear. We've never touched third gear yet. Again, I will be doing another video showing you guys how to shift into higher gears. But once you have the main gist of shifting into third gear, I mean, you are pretty much set. So I hope you guys found that helpful. Alright, so it is morning time now. I'm exhausted. My hair is a mess still, as always. Don't know when I'm getting that haircut, but I hope it's soon. But anyway, so I'm at my mom's, and let's check to see how Mitzi's doing. Mitzi. Don't these look like chicken legs? Let me know what you guys think. These look like turkey legs that she has. Look at that. It really looked like it a minute ago. It's like thighs. Mitz, where you going? She got insulted. See, this is another thing she's been doing. she knocks over her water. She lifts up the bowl and knocks the water over. Rained a little bit last night. Big surprise. See, I knew all that sun, man. Can't have. Hey. What are you doing? What did you just do? Did you knock over the water again? Mitzi. Did you knock the water over? Did you? Show me. Show me what you did. Why are you lifting the water up? Why? Mitzi. Why are you doing this? Look. She's going like this with the water because she likes how the water looks. You like how the water looks, I know. This is what a menace she is in the morning. She is a menace in the morning. But I love her to death. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post noties, those post notifications to get notified every time I upload. And as always, be sure to follow my Instagram at MattDeAngelisMusic. And I will catch you guys on the flip side.